Hey guys, the good folks over at Llano sent me over this 3-pack camera battery and 3-slot battery charger set to do a little box opening and give you my thoughts on it. So as you see, I have the Canon EOS R, and these are made for that, as well as other Canon cameras. Let's get it opened up and see what we have in the box. A little user manual here. Has an aluminum body on it. That's nice. Has your little charging indicators on the front here. We'll get more of that in just a moment. Goes with a USB-C charging cable. It's C to C. My issue a lot of times is my camera battery goes dead, and there I am. I have to stop, go put the battery on the charger, because sometimes I don't know. I've got 2 batteries. Sometimes I don't remember to put the other one on there, to be honest with you. So having some backup is going to be nice. And definitely have these things packaged up good. Like I said, it does come with 3 batteries. The Llano, these are 2400 milliamps. It says typical capacity 2400 milliamps, rated capacity 2300 milliamps. Just a side-by-side comparison. That's why I'm using my phone, is because this battery's dead. So anyway, it is what it is. It's like a pretty much identical match. Batteries are going this way. Our charging port right over here on this side. What's neat about this is you can use this charging cord on a battery bank. You can plug it into a charging block, or if you're in the car, you can plug it into a cigarette lighter adapter. It's got a Type-C on it. You can charge it any way you need to. Mine will sit in there on the office desk unless I'm out in the field somewhere doing some videography there. Doing like videography, basically product reviews, I go through some batteries because I shoot at 4K, and I don't always turn it off to go set something else up. I leave it running. Now, as we know, the Canon has auto off on it, but it's draining that battery up until that point. So anyway, let's get these things charged up and ready to go, and I will remember to do them next time. Now, if you're thinking your plug is the Type A, you just need a little adapter. A lot of the charging blocks are coming in as the Type-C, but I have an older one, so it is what it is there. But like I said, you put this on a battery bank and charge it that way, but this will work just fine. Get the protective covering off here, and we should be good to go. We are charging now. And it says that it takes an hour and a half to fully charge these. And what I don't know is if it's from 0 or if it's from like 25%. But either way, it's a 30-watt fast charger, so it should get the job done quickly. These do have the over-discharge, over-voltage, overcharge, short circuit, and overheating protection, so your batteries should be safe. I do like the fact that it's got the LED lights right here that tells you what percentage your batteries are at. And you can take one battery out and the others will keep charging. I was going to check something. It should just work just fine right here. This other battery. Go there. Has no problem. It'll charge your existing batteries. That's nice. So if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours. Remember, this particular one is for the Canon EOS R. Llano makes several different batteries for different types of cameras. It's just, this is the one that I needed. These are the LP-E6NH. It's definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases like this that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.